While flooding rivers and streams are hurting many areas in eastern Idaho, there is one area that welcomes this water. Good evening and thanks for watching tonight. I'm Todd Blackington. With the increase in temperature as well as scattered showers, flood warnings are being issued throughout eastern Idaho. But one area says that they thrive on the excess water pouring in. Diana Nguyen is now live in our Idaho Falls newsroom with more tonight. And Diana, there are people who want more of this water.
That's right, Todd. Camas Wildlife Refuge in Hamer depend on the extra water coming in so that their habitats stay an abundant habitat to the birds.
The cold and rainy weather actually has provided us more wetland habitat for our water birds. The more water we get, the more wetland habitat we have out here, because we're all dependent on snowmelt and the water that comes from the creek. So the more we get, the more wetland type habitat for ducks, geese, cranes, and swans. And our primary purpose is for water birds.
And that's why Refuge Manager Brian Wehausen says this increase in water is important. He says there's been a huge difference in the wetlands since yesterday.
What you see in the background there was dry, and you wouldn't be able to see water in the creek from where you're standing here, just barely. The water's come up in the creek about 3 feet.
Wehausen says the dry weather can actually hurt their wildlife.
It certainly does affect us, and that's typical of this region. When it gets hot and dry, the less water we have, the birds and they'll actually concentrate. Our birds will concentrate. We try to keep water on this refuge throughout the fall so that when the ducks that are raised here have a chance to get to flight stage and be able to fly off and do their migration. So we try to keep water here as best we can in certain areas throughout the fall to raise those birds.
Wildlife Refuge Management says during the dry season they've come up with a temporary solution.
We do have some wells that we put water on the refuge, so we kind of do it a little bit artificially to keep some of the habitat there, so just for those birds. But yeah, weather does impact us. But we try to mitigate that with well usage. The wetter we are, the better it becomes for our birds and wildlife. So there's typically more things to see. Sometimes it's a little counterproductive because they spread out. The more wetland habitat, the birds don't concentrate. The big thing is, our big thing is the snow geese in the spring. A lot of people from the local area come to see them. We'll take 10 to 20,000 snow geese at a time. But that's the second to third week of March. So weather dependent. Sometimes we have water, sometimes we don't.
The incoming water may be a positive factor for the wildlife refuge, but the state of Idaho still considers that flood warnings are a serious matter. So serious that Governor Butch Otter and disaster management officials will be visiting these areas. I'll have more on that tomorrow right here on KPVI News 6 at 6. Todd, back to you.
All right, we'll look forward to that. Thank you, Diana.